Well, I got it all completely back together. I JB welded. Where the hell my finger at? There it is. I JB welded that pulley on there because I can't get it over the little knob that it was welded on. And I was afraid if it wasn't JB welded to it, it'd make it bounce up and down, and it'd hit the bottom of this and break that aluminum. So, it seems fairly dry and stable right now. So I'm gonna try to put it back on there. Hey, good luck. Then hopefully tomorrow I'll get some oil and I'll do a first start with all new motor. Alrighty. See if we can get a good view of this. Good enough. Well, it's installed now. Now all I gotta do is bolt it to the frame and hook up all my cables and everything again, and it's ready to go. Boy, that was rough.